So let's do number. This is 6.6, part 1, right? Okay, so we're going to do number 5 and then number 8. Okay, number 5. I have a binomial times a binomial. So what are we going to use? What do you see 3 terms? You don't even have your workout, so I'm not even going to listen to you. All right, so it's a binomial, 2 terms times 2 terms. It's a binomial times a binomial. So we're going to use FOIL. Okay, so first, we're going to take 5b times b to get 5b squared. Outer. Let's see, we're going to take 5b, multiply it by 5, and that's going to be a plus 25b. Enter. 8 times b plus 8b. It's usually an arithmetic mistake, like multiplying 2 numbers wrong or something.
Yeah, I think I accidentally did 10 instead of...
Yeah, instead of that 25, yeah, that happens.
Yeah.
That's an arithmetic mistake. Okay, so 8 times 5 is a plus 40. And then remember, we always have those 2 middle terms to combine. So I end up with 5b squared. 25b plus 8b is a plus 33b plus 40. So there's our answer.
I was also confused in number 3.
All right, let's go. Let's do number 8 while we're on multiplication, okay? And then we'll take a look at 3. Now, number 8, I did kind of tell you what the quantity v plus 2 to the cube meant. It meant the quantity v plus 2 times the quantity v plus 2 times the quantity v plus 2. Now, we know how to multiply 2 of these together, right? We just did it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to carry down this v plus 2. And then we're going to do FOIL on these 2 quantities. So I have v times v is v squared. Outer v times 2 is 2v. And actually our inner is going to be the same thing, right? And then the last is 2 times 2, which is 4. We got to combine our middle 2 terms. So I'm going to end up with v plus 2 times v squared plus 4v plus 4. Now I have to distribute each one of these terms over the parentheses, right? So v times v squared, v cubed, good. V times 4v. Yep, 4v squared. So it's easy to make mistakes. Right. I can't tell you how many mistakes I made yesterday teaching this. V times 4 is 4v. Okay, then we got to distribute that plus 2. 2 times v squared plus 2v squared. 2 times 4v, 8v. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Now we combine our like terms. Let's see, we only have this cube term, so I have v cubed. Our squared terms, let's see, I have a plus 4v squared and a plus 2v squared. Gives me a plus 6v squared. 12v, right? 4v plus 8v is plus 12v. And then lastly is our plus 8.
So that's our answer.
That's our answer. Are the answers on the back?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize.
Look at that. I got it right.
I didn't realize.
Okay. Any questions on 8? Okay, number 3. Let's see if I can give you a hint on number 3 instead of doing the whole thing. Number 3. Oh, I know what you could. I like to rewrite these problems, even if they're just addition and subtraction. So I have 4 minus 7n minus 4n squared. What do I have to do with that minus sign? Yeah.
So you change the sign.
Yeah, basically what I'm doing is that I'm changing the sign. So here I have a positive 4n. It's going to be a minus 4n. Here I have a negative 3, so it's going to be a positive 3. Here I have a minus 6n cubed, so I'm going to have a plus 6n cubed. So there's your hint. Actually, it's more than a hint. Okay, so you'll have time in class to finish this up if you didn't get it done. And I'm going to stop the video so I can do part 2 of the notes. Let's see.